Welcome to the Samsara AI Multicam installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install your AI Multicam system. The AI Multicam, when paired with auxiliary equipment, such as the Samsara 360 Visibility Bundle, extends real-time visibility beyond the AI dashcam. It provides up to 4 live auxiliary streams on an in-cab monitor and live audible AI detection alerts for 360-degree protection for your drivers on the road. The AI Multicam hub includes the AI Multicam device, 4 self-drilling screws, 2 long cable ties, and the AI Multicam cable. You'll also need some basic tools: wire strippers, a terminal crimper, diagonal cutters, a 7mm socket or nut driver, a T8 screwdriver, multimeter, and optional wiring and splices depending on your vehicle. If you're running camera cables outside of the cab, using wire loom to protect the cables from abrasion is recommended. You will also need to download the Samsara Fleet app and update to the latest version, which we will use later to verify the device is online and adjust any cameras you've connected. Before you begin, review the entire guide, gather your tools, and disconnect the vehicle battery to ensure safety during installation. You will also need to ensure your vehicle gateway and AI dashcam and any auxiliary cameras are already installed and activated. At this time, you have the option to install a micro SD card. Open the SD door with a T8 driver, insert the card, and resecure the door. Make sure the O-ring is seated properly. Choose a location for the AI Multicam, like behind the seat or behind the dash. Consider where the vehicle gateway is located. Camera cables will be routed, and the wiring harness will need to be connected. Optimal installation location may vary by vehicle type. Mount the device using the included screws or cable ties. Be sure the surface you select to mount it on is level. Do not mount it on curved surfaces. Plug the 18-pin multi-cable into the AI Multicam. Be careful not to bend any pins. Connect the labeled battery wire to a constant battery and the ground wire to a clean, low-resistance ground. This may include the fuse box, battery terminal, upfitter circuit, or other power sources depending on the vehicle type. For example, in this vehicle, we used an upfitter circuit, but you could also use a fuse tap on a constant power circuit. If the AI Multicam is not connected to constant power, you won't be able to retrieve video when the vehicle is powered off. Consult the manufacturer's bodybuilder or upfitter manual if you're not sure where to find an appropriate power source. Next, connect the USB plug from the AI Multicam to your Samsara vehicle gateway. Now, connect each pre-installed auxiliary camera to the correct GX12 port on the AI Multicam device. The AI Multicam can support up to 4 cameras. The default configuration is as follows: Port 1, left side, Port 2, right side, Port 3, rear, Port 4, auxiliary. Correct placement is required for AI features to work. If your camera roll and placement differ from the above configuration, you will need to go into the Samsara dashboard and reconfigure camera rolls. If using a monitor, connect power and ground wires, then attach the 4-pin display output from the multicam cable to the monitor's input. You can skip trigger wires on the monitor because the AI Multicam handles feed switching. Confirm if you need to set up physical trigger wires or if the trigger wire input is available via CAN bus for your specific vehicle via the Samsara Fleet app. In either case, make sure the trigger wires are mapped to the intended camera roll. If installing trigger wires, match trigger wires to their correct camera inputs. Use the manufacturer's wiring diagrams to identify sources like turn signals and reverse lights. Use butt splices and secure connections with cable ties. Camera rolls and trigger wire mapping can be done pre-install or post-install via the Samsara dashboard and will soon be available in the Samsara app. Reconnect the battery and power on the vehicle. The LED color indicates the device's power state. Check for the following. The LED should be solid red when powered on without any cameras connected. Wait for the LED to turn solid green, indicating all cameras are powered on, connected and ready to record. Now, launch the install flow from the Fleet app. Once verified that the device is configured and the cameras are recording, please click into each camera and confirm the field of view. You can also use the flip and mirror options to set your camera field of view. If your install has trigger inputs either via vehicle CAN bus or trigger wires, use this step to verify trigger input behavior, either through the in-cab monitor or through the Samsara Fleet app. Confirm camera footage appears in the dashboard feed and the monitor. You can also use the Take Picture tool in the dashboard. Your AI Multicam device is now live and ready to use. For more support or information, visit samsara.com/support. Thanks for installing the AI Multicam.